America, one of the most affluent and diverse countries in the world, a nation found on the belief of the American dream, a belief filled with the thought of prosperity and fortune among all other things. America, a country that is currently battling an epidemic that threatens the health and the future of the younger generations, an epidemic that can lead to the stagnation in development and advancement of this country. 72 million Americans are obese. People who are obese are more likely to suffer from diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic health problems. Did you also know obesity can be bad for your budget? On average, people who are obese spend $732 more each year on medical expenses than those with normal weight, according to a 2009 study sponsored by the U.S. Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. Obesity has become an epidemic, hurting people's health and costing as much as $147 billion each year in the United States. In 2009, 9 states, Alabama, Arkansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Oklahoma, Tennessee, and West Virginia, counted nearly 1 of 3 residents as obese. This is a serious problem because in 2000, not one state had such a high rate. A recent study shows that many patients don't receive information from their doctors and other medical professionals about the risks of obesity or how to control or lose weight. This is true even for patients who are already overweight or obese. Consider that only 1 in 4 overweight children and teens were told by a doctor or health professional that they were overweight between the years of 2003 and 2006. During the same period, only 65% of overweight children were told by a health professional that their weight was unhealthy, fewer than 3 years earlier. It is our obligation to step in and do something. We must educate our children on proper eating habits and encourage them to exercise regularly. We must come together as a nation and ensure that our children have a world that allows them to excel and flourish in. This is only possible through education. Help us educate the youth. Help us preserve the health of this nation.